It's your girl Tina.
It's your girl Ray,
And welcome back to
Heavenly Curls.
So what are we going to be doing in today's video?
We're gonna be doing 4 curly girl hairstyles.
So if you want to see how we got these 2 hairstyles plus 2 additional hairstyles, then keep on watching.
Let's get curly with it.
Hairstyle number 1. So this hairstyle is called the Fruit Hawk, and all you're going to need is 3 scrunchies. Well, scrunchies. What about them Americans just call it? I'm a Trinidadian, we call this woogies. Woogies, right? Woogies. And this is all you're going to need. So the first thing is you want to divide your hair into 3 sections, yeah? So I'm going to just trim the top.
Hairstyle number 2, the pineapple. Right, so we're gonna start with one of these scrunchies. Dina good scrunchies. So when we start the pineapple, we're making sure that we start from the back. Gather all our curls, our lovely curls. Gotta put them together. Alright. Make sure it's tight and nice. Ooh, volume. And now we have bandana. So we have our bandana right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to take this piece and put it to the back and then tie in front. So double. Right. And then we're going to tie. Woo. You can leave it like this. Or you can accessorize it with your finger. Right? But what I normally do, I just twirl and tuck it. See? Simple and yet effective. If you don't know what this is, you need one. Toothbrush. So I'm going to slay my edges. let down the baby curls. Make sure it on fleek. See that we got?
Hairstyle number 3. So this hairstyle is the two-pop hairstyle. They just call it something, a two-pop. So the first thing we're going to do is divide our hair into 2 sections. Yeah. So I don't really like my part too straight. So normally I just pass it with my finger first. Like this. Just divide this here. Yeah. So I don't really want it straight. For this hairstyle, you're just going to need 2 of these. I don't really like it straight, guys. So as you can see, I don't really put it in here. But if you want it straight, you have it straight. I don't want it straight. So I'm just gonna leave this side and look in this side. Just take some gel. Really neat this. Really neat this side. Gel. So I try to put the puff as much in the center as possible, near to each other. So that's for one puff. So we do the same thing to the side. Put as much to the center as possible.
Hairstyle number 4, the sleek back ponytail. Let's start. So what you want to do, you want to get your pigtail comb, your pigtail comb, and you want to part down the middle. You don't have to be too straight, people. That's okay. So, and now we're gonna brush it back. So we're taking all our curls to the back. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like,
comment,
and subscribe.
bye.
Bye.